Okay, so here's a test after the quad will be rotated more than 90 degrees. So from here, more than this, it will turn off. So it's 90 and let's say 45, and it turns off. We can repeat that. "90 degrees plus 45, and it's off. That's not a good feature in my opinion. If your quad spins in the air, it will fall down.